Imagine coming home after a long day, exhausted and hungry, only to find a perfectly prepared keto-friendly meal waiting for you. No grocery shopping, no cooking, and no worrying about hidden carbs, just delicious low-carb meals ready to enjoy. Sounds like a dream? Welcome to the world of keto meal delivery services. Sticking to a keto diet can be challenging, especially when life gets busy. Between meal planning, prepping, and making sure you're staying within your macros, it can feel overwhelming. That's where keto meal delivery comes in to save the day. With convenient, ready-to-eat or easy-to-prepare meals, you can stay in ketosis without the hassle. One of the biggest benefits of keto meal delivery is consistency. When you're trying to maintain a strict low-carb diet, even one wrong ingredient can throw you out of ketosis. With professionally crafted meals, you get the right balance of fats, proteins, and minimal carbs, without the guesswork. Plus, portion control is effortless, helping you avoid overeating while staying on track. Not all meal delivery services are created equal, though. Some offer frozen meals, while others provide fresh, chef-prepared dishes. Many cater to different keto styles, whether you're strict, lazy keto, or even targeting specific dietary needs like dairy-free or high-protein keto. Some even offer meal kits so you can cook with fresh ingredients while still keeping things low-carb. Choosing the right keto meal delivery service depends on your lifestyle. If you love gourmet food, some services provide restaurant-quality dishes with organic ingredients. If you're always on the go, pre-packaged meals that only require reheating might be your best option. Some plans even allow customization, so you can select meals based on your personal preferences and dietary goals. For those concerned about cost, think of it as an investment in your health. While keto meal delivery may seem pricey compared to cooking at home, it can save you money in the long run by reducing food waste and impulse grocery store purchases. Plus, when you factor in the time saved on meal planning and preparation, it becomes a worthwhile convenience. Beyond convenience, keto meal delivery can also be a game changer for those new to the diet. If you're unsure how to get started or struggle with finding keto-friendly meals, having them delivered takes the stress out of the equation. It's a great way to learn portion sizes, ingredient combinations, and how to structure meals for long-term success. Many meal delivery services also offer snacks, desserts, and even keto-friendly drinks, making it easier to stick to your diet without feeling deprived. From chocolate fat bombs to keto bread and cauliflower-based pizza, the variety available means you won't get bored. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent juggling multiple responsibilities, or just someone looking for an easier way to maintain your keto lifestyle, meal delivery services can be a lifesaver. No more meal prep struggles, no more carb-counting stress, just delicious, nutritious meals delivered straight to your door. Have you ever tried a keto meal delivery service? What's your favorite go-to meal for staying low-carb? Let's share our experiences in the comments.